Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPJPY, British Pound, Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the Forex sentiment meter in front of us right now. And this is the GBPJPY sentiment, and you can see that 74% retail traders have taken short position and only 25% retail traders have taken long position. In simple words, 74% retail traders are thinking that market will be going down. On the other hand, only 25% traders are thinking that market will be going up. And if we look at the chart here, then the chart is telling us a completely different story. We can see that market is extremely bullish, and we all know that after the Fed's meeting, when dollar started falling, currencies like euro and GBP pound is seeing some heavy buying pressure. Therefore, if we follow the Forex sentiment meter, then we will be in a loss, because you can clearly see on the chart of GBPJPY that market is extremely bullish. And as we all know, the thumb rule of the market says follow the trend, which means that if a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities. On the other hand, if a market is in downtrend or market is falling, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And we can clearly see on this chart that this market is under the heavy dominance of buyers right now. Buyers are dominating the market. Therefore, it will be wise to take buying position only, or to look for buying opportunities only. And this is the main reason why retail traders lose money, because right now you are seeing that market is going up, but you can see that 74% traders are thinking, or they have taken short position, because they are standing against the trend of the market. My dear friend, if you want to become a successful trader, or want to become a trader who earns consistently from the market, then please do not stand against the trend of the market. Always follow the trend of the market. And if you want to check out the Forex sentiment meter, you will find the Forex sentiment meter on my website abhilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. You find the Forex sentiment meter. So this is the chart of GBPJPY. Okay, so let's find out what should be our strategy then. As I've clearly spoken that yes, you should mainly look for buying opportunities only, and you can clearly see on the chart that right now market is just standing at a support level here, 153.00. This is the current market price. And if we look at the chart here, then to be honest, yes, the price seems very lucrative right now, and it seems that market is just standing at the correct position to go for a buy order here, because this is the support. Okay, this is the support. I'm not saying that this is a very strong support, because whenever we get a market condition like this, whenever market goes up sharply, then we do not get any proper support here, because see, this was a good support here, but apart from this level, the only temporary support for the market is this level, 151.50. Apart from this level, 151.50 is the only support for the market right now. And looking at the bullishness of the market, buying pressure in the market, the chances of market coming down to this price level is very less. And right now you can see that market is trying to bounce from this particular level only. So considering these factors, I think that market is in a good position to go for a buy right here. But keep in mind one thing, that if you go for a buy here, market also has a resistance at this particular price level. So if you enter here right now, then keep in mind that at 153.43 level, market has resistance. So at 153.43 level, you may book your profit. You can come out, you can set this as your take profit target, whatever you want to do. And if you want to continue with the trade, then you can also continue with the trade. But looking at the present bullishness of the market, buying power in the market, the chances are that market will cross this level. because if we look at a weekly chart also, you can see that in the weekly chart previous week market saw heavy selling pressure, but market immediately recovered. And I have been telling about this for the last couple of days, that GBPJPY has buyers in it and market is bullish. And you can see that this week market has formed a green candle, and this market is also bullish in the weekly chart as well. And with this kind of price rejection from below, we cannot deny the fact that buyers are extremely serious, and they are very much serious in taking the market upward. Therefore, considering all these factors, this market is bullish. This market seems to be bullish, and therefore we should mainly look for buying opportunities only. And right now market is standing at the very good position, so I'll say that you can go for a buy order right now. You can go for buy order right now here. Just keep in mind that this is market, we cannot be 100% sure. Therefore, always use proper risk management. And my dear friend, please do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. Just put your stop loss below this trend line around 153 below 152.50 level. Your stop loss will be below 152.50 level. Just give some space to the stop loss, and please please follow proper risk management, because see, no trader is 100% correct. Our trades may go wrong also. So please trade wisely. That's it. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya tomorrow again with the analysis for the next week. Bye bye.